welcome back to another episode of Six Shooter. This is the 100th episode, the episode that I have actually been really excited for. Again, so sorry that last week's video got delayed, or there was no video last week, and it's because I was kind of prepping for this one. It snuck up on me. I checked my videos, and sure enough, I had 99. I had no idea. So 100th video, we're gonna make this one pretty epic. I got an airbag downrange, and we are making our Tannerite mixture right here. Garrett's kind of getting it all patched up. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set that on top of the Tannerite, and then I have a remote detonation system where I can detonate the airbag, and then that'll send the Tannerite in the air. Myself, Garrett, and Chris all have ARs, and we're gonna try to shoot it while it's in the air. So hopefully one of us gets this, because I don't want to waste this much Tannerite. Other than that, hopefully the next shot will be us going boom.
Put one in.
Are you guys ready?
We putting one in?
Ready? Yeah, I'm putting it in.
What if I just shoot it right here?
Ready?
Yeah.
Chris? Alright.
You gonna say something on camera?
I'm gonna say,
Pull.
this is it. This is the moment. All this planning. Alright, boys. Track it as fast as possible. This is gonna be hard. Okay, one. Garrett, on pull, right after you say pull, it's gonna be a 1 second delay, okay?
Okay. Up.
That was not epic at all. Fuck. It was so delayed.
I know. I put the gun. I was like, oh shit.
And then it went like
I didn't even shoot.
8 feet in the air.
I didn't even shoot. Did you shoot?
No.
I did.
I know, I heard you
tried
shoot.
to hit it. Well, that sucked.
Well, that sucked.
I stopped because I would look to see if the switch was done, and then I heard it go boosh. That's okay. We can still have some fun with this. Don't shoot it. Don't shoot it.
Come on.
All right. You guys ready?
Yep.
Fire in the hole. That was a big one. That was a big one. That was a big one.
That time you hit it.
Yeah, I hit it. All right, guys, so that was pretty uneventful. I mean, the Tannerite was cool, but the actual airbag part of it, definitely we could do better next time, so we'll have to work on that. But cool explosion. Should have some cool slow-mo footage for you in there, probably earlier. You guys saw that. Couple things, Garrett, what'd you think of it? I mean, what could we have done better that make this 100 video like really epic?
I was expecting the airbag to go off a lot quicker than it did, so I kind of...
So that was a big problem, is it delayed. I flipped the switch with my foot, and it was sitting for so long that I looked down at the switch, and when I looked down, that's when the airbag went off. So I missed it. It's gonna be a 1 second delay, okay?
Okay. Up.
Oh,
Oh.
Chris, any input?
Yeah, I mean the delay and then the height was kind of brutal. It only probably went about 7 feet in the air.
Yeah, I mean definitely no more than 10 feet in there.
Yeah.
Definitely no more than 10. So that kind of was a bummer, but still fun to come up to the range, shoot a couple ARs, miss a couple times. So other than that, guys, and I think this is coming from all of us, at least I hope it is. Guys, clean up your freaking range. Like, seriously, this is ridiculous. Look at this. We have an abandoned car up here, like, all this trash. Yeah, there's just trash. Like, people can bring boxes up to shoot the boxes. Just pick them up, take them back home. It's really not that difficult, because this is how these these kind of cool little ranges like this out here get shut down. They'll get gated up, and then no one can use them. So it's really not that difficult. Just pick up after yourself. So other than that, give me a thumbs up for, I guess, 6 pounds of Tannerite going off. And then comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, and then subscribe. It helps me out greatly. I'm sure you guys will see both these guys more in the future. And thanks for watching 6 Shooter.
I thought it was